In front of me is Huawei MatePad 11.6 PaperMatte Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by locating an app called Themes. When you find it, click on it. Then tap on the search bar at the top, type in wherever you want to and select Text Styles. Or click on text styles in one of those categories, featured categories or discovery. Either way, after locating a perfect style, click on it, select download at the bottom or buy it, and hit apply. As you can see, after that, style of my font has changed. If you want to go back to your default one, access the same app again, but this time click on Me on the left at the bottom of this list. Then click on Text Styles, select your default one and hit apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!